Welcome to the Mostly Mike Show. This is just a quick video showing how to change the blades on a Dewalt 20-volt brushless planer. Please be sure to click the thumbs up if this video helps you out. Mostly Mike will take over from here. Okay, so to change a knife out, first you want to remove the power, get the battery out of there. We're going to take our dust collector off, and okay, so there's two ways to milk this duck. You have this little Torx bit key if you're out in the field, but being that we're here at the convenience of my own home, I have this key. It's like a little hex driver type key. I'm gonna index the blades, or say you have these 3 screws here, and I'm just gonna loosen all 3, which they shouldn't be that tight really. These are just snugged up. All right. And then these blades are like razor blades, so you want to be really careful. But see, you can kind of work it out the side and just pull them out. And there's your blade. Like I said, these things are brutally sharp. And they have this indexing groove right down the center of them, so it allows it to go in without needing that this thing. This is for high-speed steel knives, and I believe that they go the full depth into the holder, which I don't know. To me, it just seems asinine to even use them. Now, to demonstrate your blade storage, on the side here, we have these 2 little passages that you can stick your blades in, and then this cap, you just stick it on and give it like 1/8 of a turn, and that's where you store your blades. So to reinstall, and carefully grab our blade, put this on so you don't lose it. You just kind of fit it in, you find that little groove, and set her back down. Get it kind of centered side to side, and then tighten up your bolts. I'd go even when you tighten these, just get them kind of snugged up where they stop, and then just give it like a little and then just kind of go back over them, and that's good. I'm going to check these other ones while I'm doing this, just to make sure that they're decently tight, which they seem to be. That's pretty much it for installation of the knives on your Dewalt hand planer, model DCP 580. If you'd like to see more of this type of video, please let me know in the comments. I hope that this video helped you out. If it did, please click the thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new here. It helps this video get shared to a broader audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.